In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, whether you only have Bedrock Edition or you have both Bedrock and Java, it's actually super easy to update it. Essentially, go ahead and open up that Minecraft launcher on your PC and wait for it to go ahead and load. This is where all of your Minecraft versions are going to be. Once the launcher does open up for you, go ahead and make sure that you select Bedrock Edition to go to a page that looks like this. And once you do have the Bedrock Edition selected, you'll see right next to this installation section that it'll say latest release right here. When you select this, if nothing actually pops up, that means you currently are on the latest version of Bedrock Edition. What you can also do is select installation up at the very top, and then you'll see an option for check for updates. You can also go ahead and select that, and it'll take a few seconds for it to load, but if no update actually appears on this section, once again, you're going to be fully up to date. Now, if an update is available, it will start downloading automatically, but if nothing does appear, that means your game is also going to be up to date. If needed, you can also go ahead and check through the Microsoft Store by just opening up that Microsoft Store and then searching Minecraft as well. On this section, when you select it, there will be an update option here instead of a play option if there is one available. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.